soaring up to 20 degrees in many parts of England and Wales. Now today those have dropped right back 14 or 15 degrees. In other words, we've seen a 4, 5, even 6 degrees drop in temperature right away across the country. Also, I'm sure you won't need me to remind you how wet it's been in Western Scotland, 177 millimetres there in just 48 hours. Now, unfortunately, it is going to be that western part of Scotland that's likely to continue to have what rain we have around in the next few days. But at the moment, we have high pressure slipping in. That's going to ensure that the southern half of the country, throughout the next few days into the weekend, stays quiet and settled and fine and dry. Of course, there will be some fog and frost around night and morning. The north, you probably noticed, had a run of isobars bringing some outbreaks of rain. And there is a chance that next week that those isobars turn into the north to bring cold weather, but that's a long way off. Now, we did have a band of rain moving down across us during the night, some quite heavy rain too in places. That's cleared away now. We have some showers packing into the north, but the cloud and the skies are fairly well broken. Now, the wind direction changed too. It went round to the northwest. We've got green arrows showing it's fairly chilly, but the warmer weather, the warmer winds do come back across the north during the latter part of the night and through tomorrow. And it is going to stay quite windy too. Today in the north, gusts up to 50 miles an hour. The winds ease down tonight and then pick up again across Scotland and Northern Ireland tomorrow. Gales still in the Northern Isles. In that northern part of Scotland, sunshine and showers throughout the rest of the afternoon. The odd rogue shower perhaps further south, but most places will be dry and bright with some reasonable sunny spells, but those temperatures well down, and of course in the wind it's going to feel a lot cooler, a lot fresher, 12 to 14 degrees or so this afternoon. Now, it's going to be a fine evening and night across the south with clear skies. That means to say turning misty with some fog patches. Cloud thickening again across Scotland and Northern Ireland, and especially in the west of Scotland and later on in the Northern Isles, there will be some rain moving in the second half of the night. That'll pull the temperatures up, but in the more sheltered eastern parts and right the way down into central and eastern areas of England, much colder than it's been for, well, many nights now. 3 degrees is low enough for a touch of ground frost. Tomorrow we keep that weather system across the north, breezy with outbreaks of rain, light and patchy eventually. Further south, after some fog, it should be fine and dry. Into Friday, the same sort of split really, some cloud and spots of rain moving down across the north, another foggy start and then fine in the south. And similarly for the latter part of the weekend, most places the emphasis is on fog and frost. That's all for now. Back to Anna.